Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Venmo for business payments and invoices step by step clearly. To activate Venmo for business payments and invoices, begin by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device.
Log into your personal account or create a new account if you don't have one. Navigate to the menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu options that appear.
Scroll down and find Business Profiles. Tap on Create Business Profile to start the setup process.
Fill in the required fields, including your business name and type. Upload a profile picture that represents your business, such as a logo. Review and agree to Venmo's terms of service for business accounts. Once your profile is created, set up your payment methods. Link your bank account or card by selecting Payment Methods in the settings. Follow the prompts to securely add your banking information.
To create invoices, go back to your business profile.
Tap on Invoicing to begin the process. Choose the appropriate template for your invoice. Fill out the invoice details, including the amount and due date.
Personalize the invoice with a message if desired.
Once finished, send the invoice to your customers.
Encourage them to pay directly through Venmo for a seamless experience.
To track your payments, return to the main menu.
Access the transaction history to monitor incoming payments.
Regularly check for updates from Venmo to ensure your account remains compliant. Consider promoting your Venmo business profile on your website and social media. This will help increase visibility and make it easier for customers to find you.
With these steps, you are now ready to accept business payments and invoices through Venmo effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.